Okay, so this assignment, you get to describe your dream house. So first you find a photo from the internet of your dream house. And I know you can get lost in the internet for a long time, so I'm going to give you 10 minutes maximum to find a photo. Put it in there, and then you get to describe it. So first you need to describe it with writing. You need to include a lot of details. So the color and size of the house, the number and types of rooms, the furniture in the rooms, and any other details. I would say this box should be filled up at least halfway. Okay, so I have already started this for you. You'll go ahead and delete that. La Casa de Mis Sueños, the house of my dreams, es muy grande y alto, it's tall, and let's see here. So you'll just keep describing things. The number and types of rooms. So I will say, tiene una cocina, and then, so at this point you might describe tiene una cocina. La cocina es grande, with estufa y horno. So you can keep going. So you'll list each room and what's in that room, and maybe how many rooms, right? Like, so how many bedrooms it has, how many bathrooms, if it has an extra kitchen. You don't necessarily need to go into detail on every single room, but you should go into detail on probably at least 4 of those. Again, it sort of depends on the house. You should be filling up a lot of this section though. Okay, so just tell us about it. Now, after it's all done, you should be describing it pretty well completely on Monday. By Tuesday, you're going to present it to people. So I get to show everybody my dream house, and I'll get to tell them about it. And when you tell them about it, you can look at what you've written, but you'll try to do it more and more without looking at it. So maybe by the last time you present it, you'll present it about 4 times to small different groups. Everybody will get to present. Maybe not 4 times. Anyways, you'll present it but you'll try to do it without looking at it, okay? And that will be in preparation for a quiz that will be on Wednesday about the furniture and describing the house. All right, good luck.